Hey, what's up everyone? Charlie here, and welcome back to Invest Edge Academy, the channel where we break down the strategies, habits, and mindsets that help you build wealth, master productivity, and live life on your terms. Today, I'm going to share something that has the power to completely transform your life. It's called monk mode. But not just any monk mode. I'm talking about a focused 4-hour-a-day routine that's been used by some of the most successful people in the world. This is what I call the millionaire productivity routine. Now, I know what you're thinking. 4 hours? That's it? Can something so simple really make a difference? And the answer is yes. But here's the catch. It's not about the number of hours you work. It's about the quality of those hours. This isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about cutting out the noise, locking in on what truly matters, and building unstoppable momentum toward your goals. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, distracted, or overwhelmed, and you're ready to take control of your time and your life, then stick with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step blueprint to implement monk mode into your daily routine and start seeing results immediately. Let's dive in. What is monk mode? First, let's talk about what monk mode actually is. Monk mode is a state of deep focus. It's about creating a sacred space for your mind to work without distractions. It's about shutting out the noise of the world, your phone, social media, emails, notifications, and giving yourself the time and mental clarity to do what I call deep work. Now, what is deep work? Deep work is the kind of work that moves the needle in your life. It's not answering emails or scrolling through your to-do list. It's the big, meaningful tasks that require your full attention and creativity. Writing a business plan, learning a high-income skill, strategizing for your next big move. The problem is, most people never get to this level of focus. They're constantly distracted. They're busy, but they're not productive. They're spinning their wheels, but they're not moving forward. Monk mode is the antidote to this. It's about reclaiming your time, your focus, and your energy so you can make real progress toward your goals. And here's the best part. You don't need to go full monk. You don't need to meditate for 12 hours a day or give up your social life. All you need is 4 hours. 4 hours of pure, undistracted focus every single day. Why 4 hours? Now you might be wondering, why 4 hours? Why not 8 or 10? Here's the thing. Research shows that the human brain can only focus deeply for about 4 to 5 hours a day. After that, your mental energy starts to decline, and your ability to do high-quality work drops off. This is why so many successful people, CEOs, entrepreneurs, and creatives, structure their day around a few hours of deep work. They know that it's not about how long you work. It's about how well you work. Think about it. If you could accomplish more in 4 hours of focused work than most people do in an entire day of distractions, wouldn't that be a game changer? That's the power of monk mode. How to implement monk mode? So how do you actually do this? How do you create a 4-hour-a-day monk mode routine that works for you? Let me break it down step by step. Step 1. Set clear goals. The first step is to know exactly what you're working on. You can't just sit down and hope for the best. You need a plan. Ask yourself, what is the one thing I can do today that will make the biggest impact on my life or business? What's the most important task that will move me closer to my goals? Write it down. Be specific. The clearer your goal, the easier it will be to focus on it. For example, if you're building a business, your goal might be to create a marketing plan or reach out to 10 potential clients. If you're learning a new skill, your goal might be to complete a specific module or practice for a set amount of time. The key is to focus on one thing at a time. Don't try to multitask. Multitasking is a productivity killer. Step 2. Eliminate distractions. This is where most people fail. You can't do deep work if you're constantly interrupted. Here's what you need to do. Turn off your phone or put it in another room. Close your email and turn off notifications. Let the people around you know that you're not available during your monk mode hours. Create an environment that supports focus. This might mean working in a quiet room, using noise-canceling headphones, or even going to a library or co-working space. Remember, distractions are the enemy of focus. The more you can eliminate them, the more productive you'll be. Step 3. Work in sprints. Here's a secret. You don't need to grind non-stop for 4 hours. In fact, that's not even effective. Instead, work in sprints. The most popular method is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. Repeat this cycle for 4 hours. During your breaks, step away from your desk. Stretch, grab a drink of water, or take a short walk. This helps recharge your brain and keeps you sharp. Step 4. Start small and build momentum. If 4 hours feels overwhelming at first, start smaller. Begin with 1 or 2 hours of focused work and gradually build up. The key is consistency. Even if you only do 1 hour of monk mode a day, that's 7 hours a week. Over time, those hours add up and create massive results. Step 5. Reflect and adjust. At the end of your 4 hours, take 5 minutes to reflect. Ask yourself, what did I accomplish? What worked well? What can I improve tomorrow? This simple habit of reflection helps you fine-tune your routine and get better over time. Additional tips for success. Here are a few more tips to help you get the most out of monk mode. Use a timer. Set a timer for your work sprints. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your daily progress. Seeing how much you've accomplished can be incredibly motivating. Prioritize your health. Your brain needs fuel to focus. Make sure you're eating healthy, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Start early. If possible, do your monk mode hours in the morning. Your mind is usually freshest and most focused early in the day. Reward yourself. After completing your 4 hours, give yourself a reward. This could be something as simple as a cup of coffee, a walk outside, or time to relax. Why this works. Now, let's talk about why this routine is so powerful. When you commit to 4 hours of deep focus every day, you're training your brain to work at its highest level. You're building discipline, sharpening your focus, and creating a habit of productivity. And over time, this habit compounds. The work you do during those 4 hours will start to create ripple effects in your life. You'll accomplish more in a week than most people do in a month. You'll start to see real progress toward your goals. And most importantly, you'll feel in control of your time and your life. Closing. So here's my challenge to you. Try this for 1 week. Just 1 week. Dedicate 4 hours a day to monk mode. No distractions, no excuses. Just you, your goals, and your focus. And when you do, come back here and let me know how it changed your life. Because I promise you, it will. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to InvestEdge Academy, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Remember, success isn't about luck, it's about focus, discipline, and taking action. And monk mode? That's your edge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep investing in yourself. This is Charlie, signing off from InvestEdge Academy. Let's get to work.